Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is your Srinivas. Friends, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Yes, in our first video and this time I changed my strategy. Behalf of some students, behalf of some government school students also they are requesting to us. So through our channel we are going to give the best of them in each and every exercise wise problems. Already we did it in first video. In first exercise, first bit successfully completed. Now in that 5.1 quadratic equation, in 5.1 first bit is over. Today we are going to discuss second bit, 3 questions one by one in detail. Now friends, let us see that. Represent the following situation in the quadratic equation form. The first question you see, it is there on the board. You see, I am reading here. You see that question, same question will be there. The area of rectangle plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 meter more than the twice of its breadth. Okay. We need to find the length and breadth of the flat. Oh, what is given? What are the ingredients? What are the important points? Area of the rectangle plot is 528 meters is given, and its length is 1 meter more than the twice of its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the flat. But in this question, just you have to write the form of quadratic equation. No need to find length and breadth. Just you write the equation. Now let us see what is given here. Area of rectangle 528 meters square is given. You know rectangle. Every rectangle have length and breadth. Here. Now we don't know the breadth. So that is the reason we can take let the breadth be is x meter. What is the length? What are the condition to given the length? Yes, length is 1 meter more than, more means plus 1, and twice means multiply with its breadth. So 2x plus 1, it is the length, 2x plus 1. Now what is the formula for area of rectangle? L into B. What is the area of 528? What is the length? 2x plus 1. What is the breadth? We have chosen x. Now x into 2x square, x1 the x, here 528. Now transport to right side, this 528 becomes to minus 528. Yes, it is in the form of quadratic equation. This situation converted into quadratic equation form. How it is easy? That is a verbal problem. That is a words problem converted into quadratic equation style. Now, see one more interesting question. See the question, friends. Second question. The second question is, find the product of two consecutive positive odd integer is 306. Find the integers. What is the question? The product of two consecutive positive odd integer is 306. Find the integer. Consecutive means, in this question, what is the word consecutive? What is the meaning of consecutive? Yeah, near by near, side by side numbers. Means, let us go take that. Let the two consecutive numbers, consecutive odd integers are, from the question I am writing, let the two consecutive odd positive integers are x comma x plus 1. Its product is given 306. What are the numbers? Simple. Product by given data according to the problem. What the product of these two? Product means into x of x plus 1 is equals to 306. X into x square, x1 ja x is equals to 306. It will be transformed left side, it becomes a pure quadratic equation. Yes, the situation converted into quadratic equation. He is asking just to represent the following situation into quadratic equation form. That's it. Up to here only answer is enough. Don't solve the answers. Now second one, this is the second one. Now see the third answer. See friends, the third question, see it is represented on the board. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan's mother 26 older than him. Right. Now the product of their ages after 3 years will be 360 years. After the product of their ages after 3 years is 360 years. We need to find the Rohan's present age. Simple amma. First you don't know that. Let the present age of Rohan. We don't know. X years. You must write X years. Age will be years, kilometer will be km. Measurements will be centimeter. You write it amma compulsory. And the present age of Rohan's mother. The present age of Rohan. How much years older than her to him? Yes, 26 years older than him. Atani kanna 26 years peddaga undi. That means more. X plus 26 years. After 3 years means after 3 years, not long back. After means after 3 years, Rohan's age will be X plus 3 years. More 3 years add avutadamma. Present age X, after 3 years X plus 3 years. Now after 3 years, Rohan's mother age will be X plus 26 already there. More 3 years. Nothing but X plus 29 years she had. Remember. Now by given data, product of their ages will be 360 years. Yes. What is more? Rohan after 3 years X plus 3. Now mother X plus 29. Their ages will be 360. Now X into X, X square, X into 29, 29X, 3 into X, 3X, 3 into 29, 87 is equals 360. Now X square plus 29X plus 29 plus 3, nothing but 32X. Now 87, here it will comes to minus 360 is equal to 0. Finally, X square plus 32X minus 273 is equal to 0. It is also in the standard form of coordinate equation. Rohan age, present age, her mother age, his mother age. After 3 years, Rohan age will be. After 3 years, Rohan mother's age will be. Product of their ages will be in the form of quadratic equation. Now, last question but not least question in this exercise. Let us see that question. Children, the question is, you see on the board. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Friends, in this speed of the train we don't know. The distance is there. The fixed distance is there. The what is changes? Speed will be changed. First speed will be, for example, X. Second speed will be changed to less 8 hours. X minus 8. But total how much is taken? The difference will be 3 hours. Now let us see that answer. Here we don't know the speed of the train. Let the speed of the train. We don't know. That means X km ph, kilometer per hour. Friends, the train taken to cover the distance. What is the distance is given in the question? 480 kilometer. As you know very well, speed is equals to distance by time. Here speed is given? No. Distance is given? Time. Here time will be t is equals to d by s. What is the distance, friends? 480. What is the speed, friends? Here x. In the situation 1, the time will be 480 by x. Now it is given 8 kilometers less. If 8 kilometers less per hour, 8 kilometers per hour less, the speed will be less. Again, and it covers the time taken to same train, time taken to cover the same distance. Yes, the speed will be changed. This time Warangal to it is going to Tirupati, same x kilometer. Coming Tirupati to Warangal, the speed will be decrease. Means how many kilometers per hour? 8 kilometers per hour. Same distance. Like that you can imagine it. So that means the time will be here t is equal same. Here t is equals same distance, but the speed will be 8 kilometers less. Less means minus. Now it will taken in total 3 hours by given data. The changes of this time. First 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by first situation x is equals in 3 hours. Now here 480 is the common. On numerator the value will be changed. Take the common 480. What are the values will be there inside? Here 480 has taken common. We are getting coefficient numerator 1 by x minus 8. 1 by x only is equals to 3. Cross multiplication. X into 1, x, 1 into x, x. Here 1 into minus 8 plus 8. Very, very important here. Minus 1 into x, minus 1 into minus 8 plus 8. Don't write minus 8. Now denominators also will be multiplied. You should get x square minus 8x. X into x square, x into minus 8x. Here 480 will be as it is. Here 3 is also as it is. Plus x minus 8 get cancelled. Now 480 inside the values will be 8 by x square minus 8x. This is 3. Clear. Now friends, you have to 480 transfer right side becomes to denominator. 3 by 480 will comes here into will be there comes to denominator. 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18 0. 3 will divide 480. So 3 1 ja 3 here remainder 1 18 3 6 ja 18 0. Now 8 by x square minus 8x 1 by 160. Do the again cross multiplication. 160 into 8 is equals to 1 into x square minus 8x as this comes. Now 8 into 0 0 8 6 is 48 8 1 is 8 1280 is equals to x square minus 8. Now final step x square minus 8x as is right. This 1280 transfer to right side becomes to negative sign. So minus 1280. You see Amma? Now we are getting pure quadratic equation. This situation I converted into perfect quadratic equation. What I have done? This formula I should apply here. Distance will be same, speed is. Now speed is decreased, here decrease means minus, same distance. Difference of these two in 3 hours time. So you can do the calculation. Here 480 will be common, you can take it is. Inside value is 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x. Do the cross multiplication. By seeing simplification we are getting this is a quadratic equation. So above situation we should convert it into quadratic equation under 1 marks, 2 marks it will comes in board exam. So no need to worry. This kind of hard question they won't give this year. Okay. But in any competitive areas you keep it such an idea. Okay na? And these all the situations you want in part B style, you want in shortcut way, you see in our policy videos and as well as shortcut videos also there. Okay na? Now friends, I hope that you are enjoying our videos, you are very happy with that. Now till then practice well. You don't forget you have to share these videos to your friends and give the good comments and likes to our channel because your encouragement is boost of us. Till then practice well. Bye bye.